Hi there. Welcome back to my channel. It's Debbie. So I thought I would try something a little different. I texturized this canvas. I'll put the recipe I used down below. So I wanted to experiment with using a textured canvas for the pearl pour technique. So the paste has already dried. The idea is I'm going to try to make it cover the texture, but not completely, so that we have a little of the texture showing through the pearls. So I'm just using two colors, a black and a silver. So I'm going to go ahead and pour my pearl base on this repurposed canvas. Since I'm experimenting, I wanted to test it out on an older canvas to see how it fares. So I'm just getting my base coat down and covering the canvas. You can see up in the corner the variation of the texture underneath the base coat. It is a very slight indentation, but in the end, I really did like how it turned out. So let's watch what happens. So here you can see the wisp of lines that I made with my textured paste. I'm just making sure my edges are covered completely, since I did use a repurposed canvas. And we do know that the base is thin, so we want to make sure our edges are covered completely. So I purposely placed my texture at a diagonal on the canvas because I want sort of a corner to corner type look. That's what I'm trying to go for. So I'm going to add my second color, my first color, which is the black, right in the center. Now I want a hint of silver, so I decided to just kind of do some lines of silver, and that's going to, is that going to overpower the black? So fingers crossed. Time to get to tilting and see what happens. So I'm going to go off to one edge first. And I like the way the silver is incorporating itself in the black. Now we're going to go down to the next corner. You can still see hints of the texture under the base. And exactly what I was trying to go for. Now I wanted my poured paint a little thicker on the textured part, but I stopped tilting because I didn't want my pearls, because they're already developing, to get too distorted. Once your pearls start to develop, and if you want nice round uniform pearls, it's good to stop tilting when you see them start forming. So I'm going to let it do what it do while I make sure my edges are nice and covered, and let the paint or the pearls develop. So stand by. Alright, let's go in for a close-up of those juicy, uniformed pearls. I love the slant of this piece. The texture is not visible, but once it dried, it really shows up. Yes, this is lovely. I love the way that silver is just accenting the darker color. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay blessed, stay safe, and I will see you next pour. Bye.